Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can erase game save data on Steam. Let's begin. First, open up your Steam client. Make sure you're logged into the appropriate accounts. And once here, go ahead, click on the library section, and then you will see all of your games you have played so far. So for example, if you want to delete a save game file for a very specific game, you actually need to delete them on your folders. But before that, go here, click on that game, right click, go to properties, and then this Steam Cloud, make sure this is paused or disabled. If you want all games, you can go to Steam, settings, cloud, and then disable this Steam Cloud. All right. Then let's go back to library, then go back to properties. All right. Make sure these are disabled. Once done, I want you to go to your Windows Explorer. So I'm going to open File Explorer, go to local disk C, program files 86, Steam, and then go to user profile. Now, you might be confused, but you should be able to locate the folder that contains your saved file. For example, this game, right click on it, properties, go to updates. You should be able to see the app ID. So you see 730. Let me check. 730. All right, this one. So 162.3730. So go ahead, right click and completely delete the folder. This way, all of your save game files will be removed from the game itself in your Steam account. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.